The second problem is interoperability. So this is a very old technological problem. Let's think about this using an example of early wireless networking. If you've ever wanted to set up a wireless network in your house, you know you have to connect your devices with a router so that the signal can reach your device. But what if your Apple iPhone only connected to Apple routers? It wouldn't be very useful if everybody had to get all the same hardware for everything from the ground up and from the same brand. And in fact, that would probably be considered a monopoly by the United States government. So how does Cardano make sure that crypto doesn't suffer from the same problem? Well, it allows for people to easily bridge Cardano and other cryptocurrencies that use other blockchains by using something called the KMZ Sidechains Protocol. This is basically the crypto version of being able to easily exchange US dollars for Canadian dollars or euros or some other currency. Now, unlike other cryptocurrencies, Cardano knows it won't be the only cryptocurrency, and because of this, it proactively works on an interoperability solution using bridges. The third problem is sustainability. Now, if Cardano or any other cryptocurrency is going to host much of our financial lives, obviously we would need a way to guarantee that the system stays functioning. So when we say sustainable, we don't necessarily mean environmentally sustainable. Although many say that Cardano, because of its proof of stake instead of proof of work mechanism, is environmentally sustainable, there is a huge debate about environmentalism in the crypto world. Regardless, what we are talking about is the network's ability to keep the lights on, continuing to make improvements, and have a healthy development community. Cardano solves this by establishing a treasury, which collects fees and pays them to those who make contributions to the network. In short, Cardano is a self-sustainable cryptocurrency that has intentions of improving itself in the future, and it is developed with that in mind.